Now that you know ionic and covalent bond, the question is, how do you know what is the little number to put next to each element? So let's say, let's use the example earlier, MgO. Mg have 2 electrons to give. Oxygen have 6 electron, and it wants, here's the key word, so it have 6, right, and it wants 8. So 8 minus 6 is 2. That means oxygen wants 2, magnesium has 2, so that's, look, 2 and 2, that's all good. So therefore, when magnesium and oxygen gets together, we have MgO. By the way, you always say the metal in the left, the metal first and then the non-metal. It's always the metal first and then the non-metal. I'm not going to write that. Okay. Now, but let's say if you have a different scenario, when you have Mg gets together with, say, Cl. Okay, so let's look up on the periodic table here. Where's Mg? 2. Where's Cl? Oh, over here. It's on group 7. That means it has 7 outer electron. So 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And this guy have 2. This guy have 2. This guy only wants 1. Cl only wants 1. Magnesium wanna give 2. So what is it gonna do? Oh, how about this? It find itself another Cl that always also want 1. So this Cl wants 1, this Cl wants 1, so that's magnesium will give this Cl 1. So then now the Cl have 8. Remember 7 it has, and it wants 8. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. This Cl wants 1, so this magnesium will give this Cl 1. So then all 3 of them are going to be happy. That means that the formula for MgCl is going to be, you guess it, MgCl2. Alright, MgCl2. That's how you get that number 2 right there. Sorry, it gets a little messy. How about a different scenario? So let's say a different scenario. How about this? We have oxygen. Oxygen have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's say oxygen is hanging out with sodium. And sodium is in group 1, so it's only have 1 electron to give. Well, if sodium give this 1 electron to oxygen, is it going to be enough? No, it's not going to be enough. So what it would do is that it will sort of get another Na with 1 more electron to give to oxygen. So then oxygen can get 2 to complete the 8. So then what you're going to have is Na, remember metal goes first, 2O. See, that's how you get the number next to the ionic compound. Now for covalent compound, well, you can have PO2, you can have, for example, P2O5, you can have P2O10, P4O10, whatever. So for covalent, there is nothing restricting how many P is going to be joining with O because they're all sharing. So for covalent, you just say you can't decide. But for ionic, yes, you can decide what number it is that you put next to the element.